I am David Zanoni, Technical Marketing Engineer here at Infoblox. In this video, we're going to take a look at a new BloxOne feature called templates. We'll cover how BloxOne templates can benefit you and how they work in a live environment. As covered in my recent videos, an impactful change was made to the Infoblox Cloud Services portal, a change that affected how you interact with your BloxOne hosts and services. If you haven't watched that 3-video series, I highly suggest you watch them. They'll help you get oriented with the new infrastructure page and changes that were made to both hosts and services. Links to those videos are in the description. A part of that UI change was templates. What is a template in BloxOne? Templates are a quick and easy way to apply a set of service configurations to BloxOne hosts. This slide here will show how it works. First, we select a host that has services already attached to it. The host that we selected here is branch 1 of a few branch devices that we want the same services attached to. Of course, we could create each and every service and attach those services to a host. But thanks to the template tool, we can make this easy. We create a template called branch config, which copies the services that are attached to the BloxOne host, branch 1. Along with the services, it takes the service's name, type, tags, and any interface bindings. With a few clicks, we use our new template and attach services to our other hosts along with the aforementioned settings to branch 2 and branch 3. As you can imagine, this tool can save us a lot of valuable time with new deployments. Let's see how templates can be used in a live environment. On the infrastructure page, we can find our host branch 1. Notice how this host has the services DNS, DHCP, and DFP attached to it. We can also find our other hosts, branch 2 and branch 3. Notice how neither of these hosts have any services assigned to them. Let's fix that with our new tool. As explained in the slide before, a template can easily be created to make a copy of one or many services on a host and attach them to another one. Creating a template is done via clicking the ellipsis located in the host panel and clicking Create Template. In the Create Template panel, we can give our new template a name and add a description or tags if desired. Notice the information under the Services header. This shows us information about the service names, service types, and interface bindings that are being added to this template. Once a template is created, it can be found in the Templates tab. In the Templates tab, we can do a few things. We can edit a template to view or modify its name, description, or tags. And we can view the services this template contains. This information can help us find new services that are created after we use this template. For example, if we apply this template to our branch 2 device, the DNS forwarding proxy name will be branch-2_DFP. And it will be applied to our WAN interface. We can also delete a template with the Remove button. But we're here to use the template. Let's do that with the Apply Template button. In the Apply Template panel, we can modify tags if desired. But most importantly, we can designate which host or hosts we want this template to apply to. Let's select our branch 2 and branch 3 devices. Note that you can do up to 100 hosts at a single time. By clicking Next, then Apply, all the magic happens. In the Services tab, we can see our new services. And on the Host tab, we can see that all these services are now tethered to our hosts, branch 2 and branch 3. That was easy. Thank you for your time viewing this video. For more information on templates, please visit our documentation portal located at docs.infoblox.com. If you have any other concerns, questions, or comments, you can find myself and other Infoblox experts at the Infoblox community website.